Hi all, Ankit Kishore this side from the Flight team, and I welcome you back to my channel. So I just took this strangle of 300 points, and I have taken 3100 quantity as of now. I will increase this, but not now. I will wait for a while. और अगर अभी आप देखो तो market is showing a fall. Okay, by the way, see, this is not the only monitor which I use. So there are 3 more. जहाँ पे एक में मैं सेंसिबल रन कर रहा हूँ और एक में मैं चार्ट रन कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। तो उन्हें मैं दिखा नहीं सकता अभी। आई होप दिस यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस इज़ द रीज़न वाई आई एम जस्ट वाई समटाइम आई शो चार्ट हियर. Okay, otherwise there is a monitor where a chart simply just a chart is running, nothing else. Okay, and I am watching it only, and on that basis only I took any decision. Yesterday only I have told you about the delta and something like that, and also the strike difference. So all the trades are taken on that basis only. Okay, so now coming back to this thing. So I've taken this triangle, and the adjustment for now will be if any one of them will cross 18 19, then the another leg I will set it to a bit high. Are getting this? Means if this 18,000 P cross 19, then in that particular case what I will be doing, मैं यहाँ से जो ये कॉल है 300 का मैं उसे स्विच कर दूँगा ऑलमोस्ट 250 के कॉल पे. ओके, कंप्लीट क्वांटिटी I will be switching this way. Okay, so yeah, I will be giving you update on this later on, by the way. Okay then. Okay then, a bit change of plan. Okay, I won't be switching the other side, that is this one, that what I was telling you. What I will be doing, I put the SL in both these cases. Okay, और अभी तो मैंने सिर्फ पी का डाला है बाय द वे एसएल. तो अगर पी ने एसएल हिट करा, ओके वेट, मुझे एक्चुअली एक एसएल को ट्रेल करना है थोड़ा. ओके, तो अगर एसएल इसने हिट करा, ठीक है, तो फिर मैं इसे स्विच कर दूंगा एक स्ट्राइक ऊपर. ठीक है, मीन्स अगर 18,000 पी ने एसएल मेरा हिट किया तो मैं उसे कर दूंगा 7950 पे स्विच. ठीक है, वाई आई एम डूइंग दिस बिकॉज राइट नाउ दिस इज जस्ट द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ मार्केट एंड आई डोंट वांट टू गो क्लोज very close to the market and get the hit. I don't want to get hit today. Okay, so this is why I will be playing a bit normal, a bit defensive, not aggressive at all today. Okay, maybe after 12:30 I might play a bit aggressive, but before that I would try to be distant from the market as much as I can. Okay, this is the thing. And now looking at the OI data is simply showing two things. Here huge amount of put writing is happening. That simply means that market, if it has to fall down, it will be very tough for it to fall. Okay, so yeah, wait, तो ये इसके लिए काफ़ी टफ होगा यहाँ पे फॉल करना. ओके, तो मैं पहले ऐड कर लेता हूँ इस स्ट्राइक को. चलो, तो अगर आप देखोगे कि यहाँ पे राइटिंग कहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा हो रही है, तो सबसे ज़्यादा राइटिंग इस पे हो रही है. अरे यार क्या स्ट्राइक है ये. ठीक है, ये 18200 सी पे, और उसके बाद फिर हो रही है, एक सेकेंड, आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट इज, हाँ या 18200 सी, उसके बाद 18100 पी पे बहुत राइटिंग हो रखी है. और जो अभी मैं बता रहा था 18150 पी, तो ये ग्रीन लाइन जो आपको दिख रहा है, ये ग्रीन लाइन, तो ये आप देखो सब्सिक्वेंटली इंक्रीज हो रहा है फ्रॉम 1 मिलियन. इट हैज़ फ्रॉम below 1 million it has reached down to what 1.38 million. I know this is not that big, so हो सकता है इसका इम्पैक्ट ज़्यादा ना दिखे अभी, बट या कांट हेल्प इट. अगर ये फॉल किया मार्केट, इफ मार्केट विल फॉल फ्रॉम हियर, देन आई हैव माई प्लान विथ मी एंड आई विल बी डूइंग द सेम वे. Okay, so I will be giving you update on this later on. Okay then, thought of giving an update here. Okay, and time is 9:48, and as of now the running profit is almost 13k 14k. At a point of time I was up 17 18k and after that and after then I slipped down to a positive MTM of like 2k 3k 4k. Yeah, and why this happened? Because of this thing, you can see it yourself. The way market is moving. I won't say this is abnormal, this is very normal now, okay, and managing these things is to some extent very much possible, and that's what is happening with us also. See, if you'll see from the high 191 to the low 63, that is a move of 130 points in a single direction, and yeah, it is going good for now, and that is why I'm keeping my distance. Okay, I'm keeping a SL of what means 55 points plus. Okay, why? Because I don't want to get hit easily. Okay, I don't want कि मेरा SL को touch करे and it will just fly again up. Okay, if this will happen, obviously you know that how this मतलब I have to keep on doing the adjustment. और मुझे आज इतना एडजस्टमेंट, आई एम नॉट प्लानिंग फॉर एनी सच बिग एडजस्टमेंट अनलेस एंड until some big move will come. Okay, 17k again touched, so this is a thing I'm planning for the same. Okay, so yeah, I will be by the way, if you'll see option chain, huge number of call writing is happening. Huge means seriously huge. Put writing which I have shown you in the earlier clip, they are just gone away. Okay, अगर अब मैं आपको इस पे दिखाऊं तो आप देखो हर पुट राइटिंग जस्ट फ्लैट है. Call writing is immensely increasing, be it 150, 100, 200, anyone. Okay, they are just increasing a lot. Okay, this way market is moving. So yeah, I'm having a, by the way, I'm having a credit of in total what 20 minus 4 16 points. So let's see whether how much I can capitalize on these. Okay, so and on the basis of chart, see this I have made in the morning itself, these two, and market didn't go up, so this has not been tested, but this is getting tested. Okay, right now, and if you'll see many a time market has made a pin buy here. Okay, kind of pattern, and the same is happening here as well. Not a pattern, not the same pattern, but in the same way market is trying to go up. So I just want to see how market behaves here, whether it sustains here or not. If it will sustain here, then it will be a very good thing for me, I would say. But let's see, I will give you an update on this later on. Okay, then quick update. Time is 12:09, and as of now the running profit is 17k, 18k, like that. At a point of time I was up like 24, 25k, but yeah, this will keep on happening. Obviously I have told you that till the time you are in trade, whatever MTM is running, it is not yours, right? So it can fluctuate to any range from positive something to negative something also. So I'm ready for all these things. And what is the adjustment plan for me? So here it is. I've kept the SL for both these things. Okay, as and when anyone of them will hit my SL, I will simply take the exit from that side, and I will switch that side to one strike lower. Means, for example, if this will hit my SL 950, then I will separate to 900. Okay, this is the adjustment for me. So as of now trade is going good. Okay, nothing is happening, nothing that big is happening, although negativity and selling is very strong here. Okay, continuous selling is happening from this candle only. This is happening, and if you'll see from high to 250 to low 18,000, which is around 250 points, not around exactly 250 points of fall, then again a rise of what 90 points almost, and then again a fall of yeah, some big points like 50-60 points. So this is happening. This is the new normal. I have told you this, right? So now how I've told you the adjustment, right? So let's see whether I need to do any adjustment or not, although I think I have to do this, because the way market is moving, I think it will hit the SL, and if it does, then obviously I have to just act on my plan. That will be the idea for the day. I will give you update on this later on. Okay, then quick update. Time is 3:06, and what else could have happened? It just happened today. Okay, I was sitting with a profit of 26k at a point of time, and from there a huge roller coaster ride for me. Means from 25k to something negative, to again to 20k, 18k, then again to something negative, and just now I was like 25k negative. And this time I won't be playing very aggressive with the mistake which I have done here last time. This I am not going to follow this time also. Okay, and that is the reason I am not taking any credit now. Okay, I will just I will be more than happy to close it at break even or something like that. I won't be aiming for anything else. This is not a day to trade. It's completely fine. I won't be trading the way. Okay, I won't be trading in the aggressive way. I will just try to manage my the risk today, and I will be happy to close it the break even. अगर आप देखोगे, अगर आपको मूवमेंट मैं दिखाऊं, ठीक है, वेट, आई थिंक नथिंग विल हैपन इन दैम, या तो अगर आपको मैं मूवमेंट सिर्फ दिखाऊं, Look at this. This is the opening candle. Oh no, sorry. Where is this opening candle? Yeah, this one is the opening candle, and after then what a fall it has shown, 193 to 860. Okay, means 140 190 means more than 300 something points of fall. So this is, and that to continuous fall. So in continuous fall, obviously making money is very hard, very tough. So yeah, I could have, means if I would have played aggressive today, then as far as I can think of, मैं obviously बहुत अच्छे ग्रीन पे बंद होता. But last time I did that, so this time I reluctantly didn't wanna play aggressive, और मैं बस पेनीज कलेक्ट करने के लिए बैठा था. ठीक है, ऑल्दो मतलब डीके हुआ, बट आई एक्चुअली कैप्चर्ड दोज डीकेज, but at the end actually something killed, and this one especially this candle, this candle actually killed me. Why? And this killed me, how this killed me, let me show you this. Okay, on chart. So this one, ये यहाँ पे जैसे ही वो 925 को क्रॉस किया था, मैंने क्या किया, 900 के पुट को सेल किया. उसके जस्ट बाद एक मारूबोजू टाइप का कैंडल बहुत ही क्विकली बना, और उसने मुझे, मैंने 11 रुपये पे 11 रुपीज़ पे मैंने सेल किया था 900 के पुट को, एंड आई हैव टू कवर देम एट 19 रुपीज़. ओके, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ मैंने कवर कहाँ किया. यार कैसे देखूँ, नहीं, मैंने उसे 15 पे कवर किया, 19 उसका हाई था शायद, हाँ, और मैंने उसे सेल किया था 7 रुपीज़ पे. सॉरी, मुझे डेटा याद नहीं था. मैंने सेल किया था 7 रुपीज़ पे, 7 पे और 5 पे, ऐसा कुछ सेल किया. मैंने उसे 10 रुपये महंगे पे बेचा है. ओके, और 10 पॉइंट विद द क्वांटिटी साइज ऑफ 34350, यू कैन इमेजिन व्हाट इज़ द लॉस. तो फ्रॉम अ पॉजिटिव लाइक 9K 10K 12K, आई केम डाउन टू 25K नेगेटिव. ओके, or that happened in a matter of 1 minute. Just in a matter of 1 minute. So yeah, this happens. So I will be giving a final update in a few minutes. Okay, just be with me, I will be giving a final update. Okay, so a final update, time is 3:30 and I have taken exit completely. Obviously market is closed, that's why. And the overall MTM is 4.8K negative, and this is what it is. Okay, and see, I was running very good. Okay, and I managed this. I am very happy with the way I managed my trade. I means genuinely speaking, I am very happy with the way I managed the trade. The only thing that happened really bad is this one, which I just showed you in 1 minute chart. This up move, this single candle was actually a very bad fake out kind of candle, and here my adjustment plan was quite simple. As and when it will touch 925, then I will sell a 50 point strangle, that is 950 and 900 PE. And what happened, as and when it touched this much 925, then I sold 900 PE at 5 or 6 rupees. But in the very next minute, it didn't even give me time to put my SL. Okay, और जैसे मैंने 5-6 रुपये पे से सेल करा, आफ्टर देन आई हैड टू कवर देम इन जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ 1 मिनट. आई हैव टू कवर देम एट 14-15 रुपीज़, मीन 10 पॉइंट्स ऑफ लॉस. एंड विद द क्वांटिटी साइज आई वाज हैविंग दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम 4650 वाज द क्वांटिटी, और राउंड में 4500 क्वांटिटी. सो आप सोचो 45,000 का मुझे लॉस हुआ वहाँ पे. मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ फिर से उसे. दिस वन, look at the exit. Okay, this is the first exit, second one quantity I am showing 1 2 and 3. Okay, तो ये 3 एग्जिट हुआ मेरा, और मैंने एंट्री कितने में लिया आप ये देखो, 5.34, 7.75, 4.94. मीन्स एवरेज अगर आप निकालोगे तो 5.5 कुछ आएगा, और उसे मैंने सेल किया एवरेज में 14.5, तो 9.5 का लॉस हुआ. उसके कारण मेरा क्या हुआ, पॉजिटिव MTM ऑफ 10K गॉट कन्वर्टेड टू 30K नेगेटिव. और दिस हैपन्स, अगर आप ये भी देख लो टाइमिंग, तो 5:01, और मैंने इसे एंट्री कब करा था, मैंने आपको बोला ना हाफ मिनट, मतलब सॉरी 30 सेकेंड्स में मुझे यहाँ पे लगभग 35-40K का लॉस बुक करना पड़ा. ओके, और उसके बाद आफ्टर 3:01 आई वॉज नॉट गेटिंग एनी गुड प्रीमियम to capitalize on, and that's why at the end I thought कि okay, even if I will close my day at break even, that will be a cherry on top for me. I will be more than happy with that. Otherwise अगर वो SL hit नहीं होता, then I would have been at least positive 30-40K minimum, I'm saying that. Okay, but yeah, this was not something which was bound to happen, and that's why this I'm closing the day this way. Still I'm happy with the way I managed. Just 30 seconds of thing, and that too because of market movement. Okay, so it doesn't matter at all. Okay, there will be some days which will come, which will give you very easy money, and I was having very good Thursdays from the past many months, I would say. But last Thursday and this Thursday I managed to get at break even almost 4.8k of loss, and the charge will be just what 5-6k at max, I feel like. So yeah, they said it. Okay, I hope all these things made sense to you, and you are liking the analysis and the trades which I'm doing and the adjustment I'm doing. So if you do, then please, and if you're liking all this content, then please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and bye bye, and have a nice day.